Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how I make my bistec encebollado. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin prepping. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by making the marinade. So I'm going to begin by making a paste with 6 garlic cloves. Add a little bit of water and just crush it until we have a paste. Okay, to our paste, we're going to be adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of cumin, oregano, onion powder, and black pepper. I'm just going to give it a little crush. Mix it in there. Okay, so to that we're going to add 2 tablespoons of lime juice, 1.5 tablespoons of Maggi jugo, or you can use Worcestershire sauce with soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of water, and 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. I'm just going to mix it all together. And here you can taste it and see if you want to add a little bit more salt. But for me, this is perfect. So now we can get ready to add it to our steaks. All right, so for this recipe, you can use your favorite cut of steaks. I'm using 1 pound of skirt and 1 pound of beef chuck thin steaks. We're just going to add our marinade. Going to add a little bit more water to get all the leftover. And now just make sure that all of the steaks get coated with the marinade. Okay, so once we have our steaks all nice and coated with the marinade, we're going to cover it and allow it to marinate for at least 30 minutes. Okay, and after at least 30 minutes, we can now get ready to take it to the stove. Okay, we're going to begin by adding a little bit of oil to our skillet. Set it over medium-high heat and allow it to heat up. Okay, once our skillet is nice and hot, we're going to add 4 onions. And this is optional, but I'm also going to be adding 2 jalapeños. And just season with a little bit of salt and black pepper. Okay, so just mix it. And we're just going to allow our onions to cook for 10 minutes. Okay, after 10 minutes, we're going to remove our onions from the skillet. Okay, now I'm just going to be adding a little bit more oil. And just allow it to get nice and hot. So now we're going to cook our steak 4 minutes per side, and I'm going to be doing this step in batches. Okay, so after 10 minutes, we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Now we're going to add 1.5 cups of water. Just going to deglaze our skillet. Okay, so now we're just going to return our steaks. Along with the onions. We're just going to allow them to cook for about 10 minutes. Okay, so after 10 minutes, most of the liquid should have evaporated and our steak should be nice and tender. So at this point, our bistec encebollado is done. So now we can get ready to serve. And I'm serving with a side of rice and beans. Okay, I like to add a little pico de gallo and serve with some flour tortillas and of course my salsa. Okay, and just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make. Your beef steaks are nice and tender and so flavorful. And of course you can always partner with some rice and beans or just like that. But let me tell you that I am so ready. Let me get my, of course, homemade flour tortillas. And let me show you the steak here. So nice and tender. And I love onions, so this for me, it's honestly perfect. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And let me tell you, if you like your onions a little bit more cooked, you can always cook them longer. But for me right here, it's perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious bistec encebollado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you regret this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.